Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we interact with technology. From chatbots to creative writing, one of the most powerful tools behind AI-driven conversations is the large language model, or LLM. But how does it actually work? What makes it so powerful? And what are its limitations? Let's explore. A large language model, LLM, is a type of artificial intelligence trained to understand, process, and generate human-like text. It's designed to learn the structure of language by analyzing billions of words from books, articles, and the internet. These models are used in chatbots, virtual assistants, search engines, and even scientific research. But what makes them different from traditional AI? Large language models learn through a process called deep learning, a subset of artificial intelligence. Let's break it down step by step. First, the AI is trained on massive data sets from books, news articles, scientific papers, and social media conversations. Next, the AI breaks text into smaller units called tokens. A token can be a word, part of a word, or even a character. This helps the model process language efficiently. Then, using a neural network, the AI learns by processing billions of sentences. One of the most advanced architectures powering LLMs is called the Transformer model, introduced by Google in 2017. Finally, the model is fine-tuned using specific data sets. Sometimes, it's even trained with human feedback to make its responses more useful and accurate. Large language models don't actually think. Instead, they generate text using probability-based predictions. For example, if a user asks, "Who discovered gravity?" the AI predicts the most probable next words and responds, "Gravity was discovered by Isaac Newton in the 17th century." The AI doesn't truly understand concepts. It just predicts the best response based on what it has learned. LLMs are widely used in various industries. Some of their key applications include chatbots and virtual assistants for AI-powered customer support and personal assistance, content creation for writing articles, blogs, and creative stories, programming and debugging to help generate and review code, translation services for breaking language barriers with instant translations, and medical and legal research to assist doctors and lawyers in analyzing large data sets. While large language models are impressive, they also have limitations. They can generate false or misleading information. They may contain biases learned from human written text. They don't truly think or understand meaning like humans do. And training an LLM requires massive computing power. It's important to use AI responsibly and always fact-check information from LLMs. The future of AI is exciting. Researchers are working on models that will become more accurate, understand multiple languages better, reduce biases in responses, and be more aligned with human values. AI will never replace human intelligence, but it will enhance the way we work, learn, and communicate. Now you know how large language models work. They are powerful tools shaping the future of AI and technology. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into AI and innovation.